Just mix ginger with lemon and drink it. You will thank me later. You've seen the claims. Maybe you've even tried it once or twice. But what's really going on when you mix these two powerful ingredients? Is it just another health trend? Or could this simple drink actually help burn fat, shrink your belly, and boost your metabolism naturally? In this video, we're uncovering the real science behind ginger and lemon for weight loss. Not myths, just what actually works, backed by research and real results. So if you're trying to reduce belly fat, control cravings, or kickstart fat burning without crash diets or wild pills, keep watching. This could be the simplest habit that changes everything. Let's start with belly fat. Belly fat, also called visceral fat, is more than just something we want to get rid of for looks. It's the fat that surrounds your organs, like your liver and intestines, and it can be dangerous. Too much belly fat has been linked to health problems like type 2 diabetes, heart disease, high blood pressure, and even some cancers. The good news? Losing belly fat doesn't mean doing 100 crunches a day. It's almost about what you eat, how much you move, and how you manage stress and sleep. Now let's talk ginger. Ginger has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine, but modern science is now backing it up. Here's what ginger does that can support weight loss. It boosts metabolism. Ginger contains compounds like gingerol and shawgirl, which can increase thermogenesis. That means it helps your body burn more calories even at rest. It reduces appetite. Some studies show that ginger can help you feel fuller for longer, so you are less likely to snack. It improves digestion. It stimulates digestive enzymes, which can help your body break down food more efficiently. It reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation can mess with metabolism. Ginger helps calm that down. It balances blood sugar. Stable blood sugar levels mean fewer cravings, less fat storage, and better energy. So yes, ginger isn't just spicy, it's a powerful fat-fighting root. Now what about lemon? Lemon is loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants. And while it's not a magic fat burner by itself, it supports weight loss in several key ways. 1. It boosts hydration. Drinking lemon water helps you stay hydrated, and sometimes when you think you're hungry, you are just thirsty. 2. It supports digestion. Lemon juice stimulates stomach acid, which can help your body digest food more effectively. That means less bloating and better nutrient absorption. 3. It aids liver detox. Your liver is your body's fat-burning machine. Lemon supports liver function, which helps your body metabolize fat better. 4. Alkalizing effect. Even though lemon is acidic, once it's digested, it has an alkalizing effect on the body, which may reduce inflammation and water retention. So while lemon doesn't directly melt fat, it supports your body in ways that make fat loss easier. Now here's where the magic happens, combining the two. Together, ginger and lemon can fire up your metabolism, improve digestion, reduce bloating, suppress appetite, support detox, and fat burning. This is why you see many videos and health experts recommending this duo. They complement each other perfectly. A popular way to use them is as a morning detox drink. Here is a simple recipe: lemon ginger fat burning drink. 1 cup of hot water, 1 to 2 teaspoons of freshly grated ginger, juice of half a lemon, This is optional. Add a teaspoon of honey or a pinch of cayenne pepper for extra kick. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes, then sip it slowly on an empty stomach. This kickstarts your digestion and boosts your metabolism early in the day. Okay, so what does research say? A 2019 meta-analysis found that ginger significantly reduced body weight and waist to hip ratio in overweight people. Another study showed that women who took ginger daily saw reduced hunger and better fat metabolism. Lemon, while not directly studied as a weight loss aid, has been shown to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, two factors that can interfere with weight loss. So while ginger and lemon alone won't cause drastic weight loss, they do support your journey when combined with good habits, healthy eating, regular exercise, quality sleep, stress management. Think of them like helpers, not magic bullets. Do you want to make the most of this ginger lemon combo? Here are some tips. Stay consistent. Drink it daily in the morning or before meals. Watch your diet. Focus on whole foods, fiber and lean protein. Cut back on sugar and processed foods. Move your body. Even 20 minutes of walking daily makes a difference. Sleep and stress. Cortisol, your stress hormone, loves to store belly fat. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep and find ways to relax. Hydrate. Water helps flush fat and keeps your metabolism running. So does ginger and lemon help with weight loss and belly fat? Yes, but only if you use them as a part of a healthy lifestyle. They can give you a gentle boost, help you feel better, reduce cravings, and support your body's natural fat burning process. No extreme diets, no starving, just small consistent changes. Try the lemon ginger drink for a week and see how you feel. And remember, every healthy choice adds up. Thanks for watching. If you learned something today, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips. Until next time, stay healthy. See you in the next one. Bye for now.